So what we're going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and show you Firefox once again. We're going to go to this website right here. It's called remove.bg. You go here and hit the plus button. You go to wherever you saved your file, which in my case is desktop. You go find the work in progress image. It's going to upload, and you'll see it's going to pull off the background. So typically on GIMP you can remove the orange. It's just for whatever reason I think I'm just doing something wrong, but that's the general gist of it. So what you're going to do is you'll go here, you'll throw it through the little tool, and this is a high enough resolution for what I'm doing. Hit download. This didn't pop up here, but that's just because I have it set up that way. We'll go to, whoops, not that tab. We're going to go to this tab. You see here, it's the work in progress remove PG preview. I'm going to go here. What we're going to do is we're just going to drag it over to the GIMP. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do things in GIMP. I already showed you the background and whatnot, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and import my image, right? We're going to go to my downloads folder, which is where it should be. We're going to go there, and we will go ahead and